Let's make some egg bites muffin. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning in. Just click on that subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video and share with your friends. Today we're making egg bites. This is a very quick and easy breakfast recipe that anyone can do. So for these ingredients, I am using bell peppers, onions, spinach, turkey bacon, but you can choose sausage or regular bacon if you like, and salt, pepper, and a little paprika. That's it. I'm using 12 eggs because it's one egg per muffin. To get that fluffy texture, that I want for my muffins, I am going to also add half a cup of milk that you can also substitute for water. I chopped all my ingredients, and let me tell you, this is something that I make almost every Sunday because for a person on the go, I just grab two with some bagel or with fruits, and that's it. Warm them up, and I'm ready to go. It takes about 30 minutes tops to make, so it's very, very easy. Anyone can make it. Try this recipe. So for each egg, I just cracked it in a small bowl and add it to a large bowl because I don't want any eggs spoiling my batter. No, thank you. After I cracked my 12 eggs, I added 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoon black pepper, but you can add 1 black pepper. It's all about your liking. Added a little paprika for the extra taste, and I'm going to whisk half cup of milk and whisk everything together. Once all of that is combined, I pull out my muffin tin and I line them. You don't have to line your tins, you can spray them, but I didn't have any spray, so I used my liners. After I added all my liners, this is my favorite part. I'm just adding all the ingredients inside. You do not want to stack these to the top. You're going to stuck everything to the bottom or push everything to the bottom, and do this as lightly as possible. Ingredients that you saw previous, it's just the right amount for 12 muffins. This part is pretty repetitive, but after I added all my ingredients, I left back 3 without turkey bacon. I wanted those to be vegetarian. And when I tell you that this takes about 30 minutes tops to make, it's very simple, very quick, and very easy. Once I added everything to my liners, I am going to pour my egg mixture and add my cheese on top. After putting my cheese on top, I am going to use a fork and I'm going to gently mix everything in. That's to get rid of all the air pockets inside the liners, because after my muffins are baked, I don't want that hole or that air at the bottom. So I'm just making sure all of the ingredients are settled, and if I need extra egg, I'll pour extra egg mixture. I bake this at 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. I just keep testing it until the middle is fully baked. I am going to let you hear my reaction after trying it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, check out the other videos on my channel, and I see you in the next one. Bye.
It's so hot. Tasty. It's very hot. But it's very good. Bye.